Assalamualaikum. So I'm gonna explain 8 questions about absolute advantage and comparative advantage. So the first question, what is absolute advantage? Absolute advantage refers to the ability of a country to produce a product more efficiently than another country. So that is the meaning of absolute advantage. The second question is, what is comparative advantage? Comparative advantage refers to the ability of one country to produce goods at a lower opportunity cost than another country. So we move to the third question. So the third question, we must refer to this table. This table that we can see, they have two country and two product. So the first country is Japan and the second one is New Zealand, and the product is laptop and calculator. So Japan produced 40 laptop and 30 calculator, while New Zealand produced 20 laptop and 50 calculator. So the third question, which country has absolute advantage in production of laptop and calculator? So Japan has absolute advantage in the production of laptop, while New Zealand has absolute advantage in the production of calculator. Because we can see in the table, Japan has more produced laptop, while New Zealand has more produced calculator. So the fourth question, calculate the opportunity cost. So how to calculate the opportunity cost? Opportunity cost, we must calculate for two product in each country. So first one, we calculate opportunity 1 unit of laptop in Japan. So we must take the production of calculator divide production of laptop. So we can see we get 0.75 unit for one laptop. So opportunity 1 unit of calculator in Japan, we take the production of laptop divide production of calculator, so we get 1.33 unit. So we move to the New Zealand. Opportunity 1 unit of laptop in New Zealand, we can see we take the production of calculator divide production of laptop, so we get 2.5 unit. And last one is opportunity 1 unit of calculator in New Zealand. We take the production of laptop divide production of calculator, so we get 0.4 unit. So that is opportunity cost. So the fifth question is construct a table of opportunity cost. So this is how to construct a table. So we list. So for the laptop, refer to the fourth question. We get the opportunity cost of 1 unit of laptop in Japan is 0.5, and opportunity cost of one calculator in Japan is 1.33. And same with the New Zealand, we just take the opportunity cost that we get from the fourth question. So the sixth question is, which country has the comparative advantage in the production of laptop and calculator? So this question we must refer to the fifth question. So we can see Japan has comparative advantage in the production of laptop, while New Zealand has comparative advantage in the production of calculator, because Japan has lower opportunity cost in the production of laptop, while New Zealand has lower opportunity cost in the production of calculator. So the seventh question is construct a table of production after specialization. So in this table, we in Japan, we can refer to the sixth question. We choose Japan has comparative advantage in the production of laptop. So we refer back to the a table before specialization, Japan has produced 30 calculator. So 30 calculator divide with opportunity cost of 1 unit of laptop and plus with the production of laptop. So we get 80 units for laptop, for production of laptop in Japan. So for New Zealand, New Zealand cannot produce laptop because it's not like New Zealand has no competitive advantage in production of laptop. So for calculator, New Zealand has competitive advantage in production of calculator. So we take the production of laptop in New Zealand in table before specialization, divide opportunity cost of 1 unit of calculator in New Zealand. So 20 divided 0.4 plus 50, so equal to 100. So we get the total of each product 80 and 100. So the last question is calculate the term of trade. So the term of trade must calculate for both products. So the term of trade of laptop, we must add the opportunity cost of two countries in producing laptop. So we will refer back to the table. So in laptop, for the both country, for Japan is 0.75 and for New Zealand is 2.5. So add the two value and divide 2. So we get 1.625. For the term of trade of calculator, refer back to the table of opportunity cost. We get for Japan is 1.33 and for the New Zealand is 0.4. So add the both value and divide 2. So we get 0.865. So that's all. Thank you.